Here's a complete roadmap to get really good at data structures and algorithms, step by step. First, focus on your coding fundamentals. Understand loops, if-else statements, arrays, and how conditions are evaluated. Practice how loops run, how nested loops behave, and how conditions are checked step by step. A strong foundation here makes everything else much easier. Also, practice small coding exercises regularly. Even simple problems like finding the maximum in an array, reversing a string, or summing numbers help you think algorithmically. The better your basics, the faster you can solve complex problems. Next, build a strong understanding of data structures. Learn how arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, hash tables, trees, and graphs work. Understand their time and space complexities. Also, get familiar with the standard template library in C++ or built-in structures in Python, like lists, sets, dictionaries, and heaps. Knowing these well saves you a lot of time when solving problems. Remember, a problem is often just the right combination of data structure and logic. Once you're confident with basics and data structures, start solving problems pattern-wise. For example, sliding window problems, two-pointer problems, recursion and backtracking, binary search variations, and dynamic programming patterns. Focus on understanding the pattern first. Once you see a similar type of problem, you can solve it faster and more efficiently. Before jumping into writing actual code, write pseudocode. Check your loops, your conditions, and your test cases. Ask yourself, does this logic solve the problem? Are there any edge cases? Writing pseudocode first helps you understand the flow and catch mistakes early. It's a habit that all top competitive programmers follow. Keep notes of important strategies. For example, when to use two pointers, when to use a stack, when to sort first, and how to handle edge cases efficiently. These notes become your personal cheat sheet for solving complex problems faster. If you get stuck on a problem, take small hints. Think and debug first before seeing the full solution. Once you see the solution, don't just copy it. Analyze what you missed, rewrite your pseudocode, and then write the code yourself without looking. This builds real problem-solving skills. Consistency is the key. Solve at least a few problems every day. Mix easy, medium, and hard problems. Revisit problems after a few days to see if you can solve them faster. This repetition is what makes you truly confident. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every wrong submission is a lesson. Understand why your solution didn't work. Then try a different approach and write it again. Mistakes are your fastest way to learn. DSA is like building muscle. It takes time, effort, and patience. Don't compare yourself with others. Focus on improving every day. Celebrate small wins, like solving a problem faster than yesterday or understanding a new pattern. So, to recap, strengthen your coding basics, learn data structures and STL, solve problems pattern-wise, write pseudocode first, make key notes, take hints wisely, practice regularly, learn from mistakes, and stay motivated. Follow these steps consistently, and you will see huge improvement in your DSA skills. Remember, it's not about how many problems you solve in a day, but how much you learn from each problem. Start today, practice regularly, and keep improving. DSA mastery is a journey, not a race. Stay consistent, stay curious, and you will succeed.